So good afternoon. I'm Sylvie, the crafty old lady. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And today I am using this old combined C50 to bind my little Dollar Tree collage cards into a book. I practiced on this. I used to use this a long time ago, and so I didn't really remember how to use it, but this is where you, I don't know what you want to call it, but you butt your papers up against to it to make the holes. I'm using 3 at a time of this little cardstock stuff, and you just put it in like that and push down, and you get the holes. So that is what I'm doing with this, and then I will use some of these, well, one of these, to bind it together. So I'm hoping I can cut it to fit. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Well, that one did not come out all the way. Didn't get that hole there. I guess I need to do that again. I hope that didn't mess it up. I bet you it did. Oh, for some reason this hole's not punching out anymore. That's weird. Those 3, it didn't work. Oh, maybe I moved it over too much. Yeah. So these might be a little flimsy here. Oh well. It's okay. It's just, what I did was I butted it up against this instead of this. So one of the holes was missing, and I should have just left it as it was. Alright, so get this rest of this in here. And then I'll show you how we bind it together. But now I need to figure out which page I want first. I think it was this one. So you can see that all of the holes are lined up. And now I have to remind myself how to do this. I do know it's got something to do with this. Boy, that's really dirty in there. I should wipe that off first. Alright, so you're supposed to place your, I guess you would call this your spine, with the openings facing you like this, behind the binder. So that's what I have done here. And then it says turn both levers simultaneously. Opened it. That did not open it. That didn't open it. So I don't know. Where's the opening supposed to be? This is a really old one, but it said place it behind it and then open it. It popped out. It keeps popping out. Oh my gosh. It's stuck. It worked for one of them. Okay, so actually, I need to close it up first. The opening is here. So that should be, oh, maybe it needs to go like this. No, it won't stay like that. Like this. Oh, it popped out. It opened, but it popped. Huh. Should work. this way. Why is it? Maybe I'm opening it too much. No, it just keeps popping out. Huh. Okay, I see. Okay, there we got it. So let's put our papers on. Oh, yeah, it should work. All right, awesome. Are you seeing this? I figured it out. So I'm making a little book. And I might make more books like this. Who knows? It says it can hold up to 90 papers. I'm got too many, I think, at once. Okay. And there we have it. And so now you close it, and there I have a book. Oh, that's pretty cool. I feel like I need to trim it just a tiny bit, but maybe not, though. I kind of wish that maybe I had left it a little bit longer, but see how it's like kind of, there's nothing above this part here? But that's all right. It works. It's going to be a nice little book. Before, when I did this one, I just used a ring clip here. So I like the book thing here. So if you guys have one of these old Combine C50s, that's how you do it. And we'll get into decorating this at another day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.